Hi, my name is Angela Lawrence, and I'm talking to you today about a technique called Broderie Perse. And actually, the term is a French word that means Persian embroidery. Actually, this technique was used back in the 18th and 19th century when people would take a fabric and they would from that fabric, they pick out a motif like a flower or a bird, and they cut the motif off, and then they would place it on a background fabric. Here today, I have a finished product that is a wall hanging, and I use the Broderie Perse method on it. The flowers have been cut out from another fabric and then appliqued down. Here is a lovely piece of fabric that would be perfect for the Broderie Perse technique. As you can see, there are many large flowers, and they're very clear and easy to see that they could be cut into the flower shape. So what I have done is, I have cut one of those flowers out of the fabric, and now I'm going to fine tune and trim and use a 3/16 seam allowance so that I can needle turn and applique it down. So I'm going to take my scissor and I'm going to use the line at the edge of the motif as my guide, and I'm going to cut a 3/16 seam allowance. When I have cut all the way around the flower, then I will be ready to stitch it on to my background fabric. And as you can see here, I completed cutting it out. This is my background, and I just put a few pins in to keep it in place. Before I start stitching, I am going to use my little scissor with a very fine point, and I'm going to trim and cut right to the edge of the flower line so that I can do my inside point as well as my outside points. Now I'm just going to show you a little bit of the stitching because it's important. Probably the most important thing you need to know about this technique is you're going to use the flower motif as your guide. And when I needle turn, I'm going to sweep under, and I don't have to trace lines because the flower motif is my guide. So I'm going to go into my background and up on the fold. And then I'm just going to continue around using the edge of the flower as my guide. And I'll just do a couple more stitches here so you can see. And then when I have completely gone around, we'll have a product that ends up looking like this, where everything is stitched down, the flower is complete, and then I added some colonial knots to embellish and enhance the flower. Hope this tip helps, and we'll see you at the next quilt week.